What's up, guy? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Once again, my name is Halabebo Official, and guys, today it's a special day to me and all the time, man. I wanna say thank you a million. May God bless you wherever you are, and much greeting. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It shall depend the time where are you watching this vlog for today. And actually today it's on Tuesday, and I'm trying to shoot these videos, but I take my goat down way, and when you go deep down, so I was taking my goats there, so I realized there's a time you can make a video anywhere, but YouTube is a game changer, so you must work hard on it. And today, guys, to be honest, these videos, it's super videos ever, and all the time, man, I'm just here on this small village, but I'm within home, so I need to take care of my young sister, to take care of my young brothers, to take care of my mom. So every time, every moment, I want to make my mom to very proud, very happy. I want to say in other way, happy mom, proud mom. So I keep on that motivations to make my mom to be very proud. So right now, guys, technically I'm heading home, so I need to take my motorbike and all stuff. But I think today I was seeing on other side for my neighbor, so today I think he was not around, so I can vlog alone. I'm going to border town to make all stuff, man. So after this, I'm trying to look for the mason who can come and give me some measurement. Before that, this video, it's all about surprise it again, guys. But I think if I'm faking things, guys, just watch these videos until the end. You wanna see my reaction, so not reaction videos, you wanna see my action, I mean. So I'm the guy who I made thing, and when I mention thing, I must do it. So right now I'm keep going back home. So after taking my goat down, as I told you earlier, so right now I'm heading back home, man. This is how the beauty of my village looks like, man. So right now I'm heading home. So I think, guys, you're really supporting me a lot, man, so I can't take things for granted. And always, all the time, I want to appreciate you from my bottom of my heart, guys. I want to say thank you a million, because nowadays my family, they want to feel better and better. And if you don't believe, just go to my old videos. You want to see how my family celebrate, how my family enjoy, do all stuff. And at this moment, I want to climb the ladder, keep going, grinding hard. And the next thing is, I wish one day I could take my flight from my country here. We call Migori, we are near. So I wish one day I could take my flight up to Mombasa, maybe to enjoy the coastal beaches, all stuff, to change the narrative, to change the location, change the views. But there is one word said, east, west, home's the best. But no matter what, when I can go outside of the country, when my time reach, I could come back home. That is how, and that is how it is. So let me take you back home. So kindly give you a quick tour. So I'm heading this way. You know me, I normally came and chilling on this beautiful forest. It's a quiet forest, and it's a chilling, so you can have some chilling point and flashing your mind or blowing your mind, you know. So right now, if you don't know, my home is over there, so it's not far. That you see the iron sheet for the White House there, so it's not far from here. But when you think, guys, I'm speechless. But let me know in the comment section, what did you think about this video for today? Can you give a thumbs? And always, all the time, positive vibes. I'm just flowing positive vibes. Maybe today, let me look that guy. He was my driver, so let me check him before I go back home. I changed my mind because when he was driving, I could get easy rotation of my camera, easy vlogging on my motorbike. So let me check him first, and then we go to border town. He was not driving me for free. When he take me to the border town, coming back, I pay him some money. Yeah, and also that's the good way we can promote each other in our village here. So I'm heading this way. Wow. So I need to check that boy before I go. So I'm heading this way. Right. Good. Weird.
So, what is it now? Hustling. I'm hustler.
Even me, I'm
about life.
Yes, even me, I'm hustling.
Yo.
Yes.
So why can't you just?
Okay. Okay. I'll see you later. Yes. So guys, I came to check this. My neighbor here. Copy Romar. Here. Hi, come. So, need to check him. Tam, way. Tam. Go, bro. That's some beauty. Wow. Go, bro. I'm going to run back as see. Stand by board. So, yes, guys. So I found him. So let's drive me to border town. You know. So guys, I asked this boy that my friend is inside the house. He told me not yet. But I said no, I must check by on myself. So yes guys, so I came and checked him. So that young boy, he was cheating me that my friend is not inside. But I said no, I must confirm by on myself. Right guys, so I don't mind those people who cheating me, who lying me. I don't mind for sure. So the reason why I got to check him is to take the control of driving my motorbike. Oh, let's use this road back. Okay. Ooh. Hey. Man, I'm kind of like, I'm so tired, but I want to try my best to make it. Wow. Yeah. The reason why most of the time I like to pass on these trees is because the wind was blowing nicely, fresh air, all stuff, not too much of the sun. So, but let's try passing here. So to change the views, but I left the forest other side. Wow. So right now I'm heading home. Man, because I see my camera is almost 30%. But I'm trying to make these videos on a harsh condition, and it's a surprise by itself, you know. So let's check some cows here. I've already seen my mom giving some cows here some stuff from the maize corn. This home, man, where I'm born and raised, you know. So in case you're new here, I'm showing you for those who are welcome for these videos. In case you're new here, this is what I'm calling home. This is where I'm born and raised and doing everything, you know. So right now I'm remaining with one single parent. That's my biological mother. So by God's grace, my father passed away, so since I was 10 years old. But I thank God I'm remaining with my beloved mom. So she take care of me since I was young up now. So right now when I get something, I'll share with my mom, I'll share with my family, I'll share with my brother and sister, all stuff, man. I don't want to become more jealous, no, or more greedy. No, I must take care of my family because I'm the firstborn. And when I feel that pain that I live with one single parent, I feel like, oh man, I should cry. But it's God's plan, and we thank God we're still alive. And my father, wherever you are, rest in peace. May God guide you. One day we shall meet. So let's see, these are our cows here. Wow. Yeah, you see my mama, she have already giving him some stuff to eat. Wow. So wow. Yeah, so I must take care of our cows, you know. So to check it out. So let's take my motorbike. So it's our time to leave, you know. So guys, this is our small highway. We have my uncle's house, my mom's house. So here we have a gap here. Wow. So I found my sister. So she have a break out of the school for a short period of time. I mean, it's 1 week for a short half time. So that is to have enough break. Say hello, my sister.
Hello.
Yes. You good? Say yes.
Yes.
Yes. That's my sister, guys. All the time, you know, my sister, she have some friends from abroad, from outside of the country. So I must feature him on my camera, but I know some kids are not allowed. But I feel like, man, when I saw in the comment section, how was my baby girl sister, how she was doing, and I must show her on my camera or feature her on my camera, because for those audience who love her to see every day on my camera. But when I miss is 1 day, but the following day I must feature her on my camera, you know. No matter what, when it's on weekend time, it's a day school. But when it's a day school, I feature her. Weekend time, I feature her. So because when she wanna see me coming around at my home here with my motorbike, she came and say hi bro, and I feel so happy because so happy and comfortable because I have one sister. So I must take care of her. When she continued her study, I must pay school fees when she proceeds to the next level. So that is it. I'll take you to my project, and then today I wanna have some mason to measure for me, or to give me all measurement for the material that I needed here, all stuff. So after this, maybe I want to join those videos together. In case I'm showing every day some of my project. In case you're new on these videos, I'm showing you something new for my new subscriber. But if you are come on this, you have already know these are avocado trees, but nowadays they have not been matured because of too much of the sunny. We have another one here, and all taste good, you know. But I'm trying maybe one day this place could be a garden. You came and chill here, you have some fruits, all stuff, yeah, over here. So mama amekuja ako ndani, so ukae hapa. Yeah, so I'm telling my sister, my mom, she have already came back home. She told me no, she went back to the farm, and I'm give some principle to my sister. She wanna sit here until when my mom came, and ukae hapa mpaka mama akuje. Usitoke hapa, uangalie pale mtu asiingie. Yes, so I'm trying to give my sister some principle. She wanna sit there until my mom came from the farm. So because the reason why we don't lock there, because she was sitting here, and when they feel hungry they can go inside and have some tea, all stuff, man. So I'm heading to border town. I've already checked my friend or my neighbor over there. She was around, he was around, so I need to go there and take the control while I'm vlogging on my motorbike, guys. So stay tuned, more amazing videos coming. Wow. Alright guys, so I'm just here, and the work of today is to pull this steel bar here. From here, this steel bar here, from here to Congrat mom's home or Congrat dad. So just here with Congrat dad, so it's coming from that far end on the red tires that you see there. So this is the work of today, is to pull up to home. So let me show you, just here. Hadi kuna zingine hapa baba. Kuna zingine hapa.
Hizo za zamani.
Zimekaliwa na chuma.
Hizo zingine tumeenda huko nyuma.
So just here. Some tires here. Okay. Guys, this is my motorbike over here. Ayo nitafunga nivute. Yes. So just here. It's pull it. So you need to pull it. Then tafute ni funga. Wetu azote. There's another one over here. Hey. Alright man, so this is my work of today, and I will join another videos. Guys, so I tightened this steel bar, so I need to take back home. So there's some construction going, so I need to take them, you know. Guys, I've already crossed the tarmac, so I'm here. But I'm heading this way, and I am trying to pull it. It's so hectic, but I'll try my best. So I crossed the tarmac, so I'm heading this way, going back to Congrat dad. So now we are going. Look at the back. Look. I keep going. Guys, I'm going for the next trip. So this is my work of today here. So technically I did the maze course, I've already tried, and we have a sharp corner here. So let's go. Wow. So guys, let me know in the comment section what do you think about these videos. Kindly thumbs up, like, and also comment, guys. This is the real life in our village here. So look at the views, man. Wow. So So I'm just pushing this steel bar from the store to the working place or to the site or to the congrats mom, whichever the case. So it's early morning over here. I think it's around 8:30 a.m. in the morning over here. So I'm just drive slowly going back to the Bohans, and I want to pick for the next steel bar. Woo. Some people calling me. So guys, sorry, I need to pick some call here. Oh, just a minute guys. I need to receive some call here. Hello.
Nimekutumia hapo pesa kimakosa bro. Sinirudishie tafadhali. Halo.
Oh, Kiraudi.
Rudishie, ni mjinga sana.
Nilikuwa navuta chuma hata sauti sikusikia ni yako. Vipi ma?
Kwenda huko. Unavuta chuma wapi? Unajibu watu matope.
Kuna dogo fulani inaambi nafanya asu ungesema kebana na kenda kujibu matope man.
Nange kutewa hata kama mtu mkumwona rinange kumotepi kama ongea.
Kuna dogo ananisumbua deni rake. Sasa nilikuwa ndani Pablo. Hivyo mankuruta kuyaonda ari tati. Mungu maji si mota kumusuko ya nipyo mankurutu ni atan kebolo nteme onke onkuru se kumusuko.
Sawa. Kwa pesa nilitumia yako nimekuwekea hapo.
Acha tuone. Takwambia kama iko.
Sasa utaniambia kama yuko na nimekutumia sasa imeleta jini.
Tatama. Wanto wale kuruse 500.
No bono rama hon toro guswange gon toro bono ni
hayore.
Kino kichira kyongo toro uninkandi.
Igoro hara usenyabuhana.
Igoro hara.
Sawa, tiambe soki kunguri byo manenda achi.
Sawa.
Ai. Well guys, so I was receiving some call and it's a special call guys. I was sending something. There's one guy sending for me something else, but it's a credit. Well guys, so I'm heading to Nyabohansi with a full of joyness, with a full of happiness. So let's go. Wow. So hey, I'm driving here. Alright guys. Hey. So I'm driving with one hand, but slowly guys. So technically I love traveling vlog with my motorbike, so I drive slowly. I hope guys you want to enjoy these videos, and today's vlog is very special video. After this is a banger. So I'm going. I'm already at Nyabohansi. Wow. Guys, sorry for the windy, because we have too much of the wind here. Just look right here. Let's go. Grandpa hardware. over here. At the far end, there's a driving school car over here. So let's move. Let's move on. Let's move on. Let's move on. So the next trip over here. Wow guys, so I want to tight for the next one. So this is the binding wire over here. Oh. Wow. So I'm rotating my motorbike. Sorry guys, don't mind on that. I was rotating my motorbike. And I need to tight this one here. Oh. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this vlog for today. Kindly thumbs up and more amazing videos coming for these videos. Alright guys, so I'm going to Border Town, so I need to check my friend over here. So this road going to Nyabohanse, but this one going to Border Town. Wow. So let's stand here. So I'm waiting my friend. Let me hood. Yes. So I'm holding this. So he wanna take the control driving this motorbike. I need to vlog and showing you how I'm moving on, you know. So I'm not the guy who blogging things. So the reason why I choose this blogger or vlogger, I mean vlogger. You know we have blog and vlogger. So the reason why I choose this vlogger is to show you how my life is, how I do things, the movement of my body, how I move around my village to Border Town. So I hope you enjoy. But there is something you catch up on these videos, maybe something amazing, something new to you. Wow. So let's see. Akwad. Yes, I'm asking her wife. So is over there. That's her wife. All right. Okay. Mwambie basi awai mimi naenda. Yeah, so she feared the camera. Oh, people in this village, they wanna kill me with camera. But I'm mind my own issue. Nothing can stop me to vlog. Nothing ever. Yeah. So guys, I was on the topic why I choose this vlog is because I'm showing you how I'm moving around, how things they are. Yep. Maybe how activity we've been going to my village, and maybe I showing you some different culture, different views, and I'm not faking things, you know. So let's go. Take the control. All right, guys. Woo! Wow. Hey. Wow. So it's our time to leave, you know. Hey, if it's water from the borehole over here. So man, there is a big spanning going here. See, look at this, almost 20,000 bricks over here. Hey man, I'm so proud to be born and raised on this beautiful village. Oh, so we have a sharp corner here. Wow. like when the motorbike boom boom, I feel like chest in pain. I have some pain on my chest because we have some rough road here, and my motorbike is not meant for the rough road, you know. So I will try. Wow. So at the far end here, we have a small shop in our village here. That's one. Banana plantation alongside of the road. Woo. So right now I'm heading home. In case you're new here, that is Crowd Joseph home there. So at the far end, 100 meters apart from here, let me show you where is Crowd Joseph going, the junction. When you see these black trees, go to Crowd Joseph there. Have a school over here, some kids there. This is a dump site over here. So I must show you a dump site, you know. So this is the neighbor between the dump site and the tarmac, but I think we almost to hit the tarmac road over here. So we left the Muram here because today it's a bad day. No one is here. So this part here where they collect some tax because government of Kenya, they put high finance of bills, so people they wanna claim on the finance of bills, so to reduce, you know. So while I'm going to border town, maybe that scandal might happen. So in case you're new here, I wanna show you, this is my Roma Catholic Church. In case you're Roma, this is my Roma church here. On the other side we have the church, but there's some shop here. Yeah, and the church over there. No vehicle here. But most of the time when I'm passing here, I see a nice house. This one here, a very beautiful house. Woo. You see guys, today no vehicle here because of the crime or criticize, yeah. People they wanna say, oh, economic was too high, so they must reduce the economy, and that is how things they are here. Economic was too expensive, too high. Guys, this is border town. Yeah, in case you're new here, this is border town, and all stuff, I mean, yeah, scrap metal sale over there. Some few vehicle over here. Yeah. Yes. So this border town, downtown border town. Let's move border town. So as I told you, there's some issue going on here. You think I'm blagging things? Today there's some issue going on here about oil lands, you know. So as you can see the police over there. Let's see. We call mandamano. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, you see the scandal? Yeah, just a little. Yes, it's because of the bill of finance, man, you know?
Peaceful demonstration. Peaceful.
All right.
Peaceful. We reject the finance bill.
Yes,
Reject.
finance bill. All right, man. Yes. Let's go. Aha. So he went for the MCA and MP because he was in charge of the government. They were being paid the role of bill of finance, you know. So, but this video is all about surprising my mom. So not going on that issue. So I can't wait to share with you, but I don't want to mention on these videos, but you want to see where I'm heading to. I see some tourist vehicle coming over here. Going that way. Wow. Yeah. Yeah, today's a market day. You see people choosing some clothes to take, and there we have some bank over here. Alright, we do cut remember. Mata hiyo heta. Yeah. That is a supermarket in Fulani. So I need to purchase something on this shop. Babe, leo utaogopa? Utaogopa leo? Okay. Lita 20 shingapi? 250. Na lita 10?
Lita 10. 250.
Nilete ufuta 20 liters. And guys, he was my classmate, I mean. Nilete lita 20. Mwangi, leo nimerudi. Mwangi utangambia maguta. Lita 20. Nipe ufuta. Sina shida, wewe nipe ufuta. Hii kazi ninafanya na kuchangia. Alright, so he was my customer here. And you have some sugar over there. Okay, so that's 20 liters of cooking oil. It's 4,050 Kenyan money. Must pay. So I need to Ufuta company. Watu wanakula mafuta Mwangi. Ile ni menu imeisha. Is this 20 liter? Oh, I think guys I've already managed it. Benja, yes. So this is my time. This 20 liter. Amanenke muki komikoni. Quanta shina ritaicho? Eh? All right, so let's go. 20. Hey, Tonana. So I came for this small surprise here. So it's our time to go. We have our bank checking our email bank. Look at this candle over here. Toto vipi bwana? Unauzaje?
50.
Umepulizia dawa? Hii inakaje? Iko sawa?
Iko sawa.
So I need to promote. Sawa kidogo tu. Okay, ni zote unauza? So guys, I need to promote him. Hii ni nzuri. Ni ndimu? Sawa. There's some lemon here. Okay, sawa, wewe piga biashara. Oh guys, so it's my time to go back home. I've already purchased everything here. As I told you, I want to make my mom proud more than what she believe or need. But let's go. Some cars are parking alongside of the road because today there's some issue going on. We have our petrol station, we call Total Engineers. Whoa. Beautiful ladies here. Hey, my beloved car wash. Yeah, every corner petrol station like this one. Okay. Wow. Me guys, the reason why I don't mind is to call that incident. Maybe you might find police throwing some tear gas. Yeah, so let's showing you some police over here. You know, there's police right there. Wow. So let's go. Guys, we continue our journey. So we left the tarmac road which connect East Africa, Kenya, Tanzania and Uganda. So those three countries, the tarmac road connects those three countries, I mean. And guys, this is the best way I support my mom. Yeah, for more supporters, I support my mom. I think I support 100%, man. I support my mom, sure. Like I myself have been supported by my audience, by watching my videos, and the reason why I bought this lemon because it's a lemon, it's sure. But you know, Africa, they're somehow intelligent, somehow intelligent. They wanna spray, there is some chemical called Eden, and then to make this stuff to be right. I promote that young kid who is selling the lemon. He can sell the whole day. But another way, let's keep supporting each other. So I'm going back home. Yeah. So, and there's some videos I made in that putting some steel bar. So I wanna join that videos here. Stay tuned. Guys, finally, I'm back home. Wow. I'm back home. I'm so happy, man. So I'm back home. Yeah, we drive nicely and carefully. Wow. So we back home. Yeah. They made it. Finally, I'm here. Mom! My mom, she was very keen to listen. Man, this is 20 liters. But I think I bought, I think it's 2 months. I bought and then like 10 cooking oil. So it's because they were cooking chapati, rice, meat, veggies, doing stuff day and night. So I see my mom should have already finished. So kila maguta ufike hapa karibu kana umaliza mafuta. Yes, I'm asking my mom, nilita ngapi imebaki usidanganya watu.
Iko kama chupa mbili ile kubwa.
Yes, so I'm telling my mom, say the truth, don't teach my audience. So he said the 10 liters which I bought recently, like 2.5 months, the remaining with 2 bottle liters. So he was telling me earlier, so I was thinking about on that. And today, by God's grace, I'm keep climbing my ladder so hard, and to chase my dream outside, I bought her 20 liters. That's my sister. Man, I'm not blind things. This 20 liter cooking oil, we call ufuta, pure vegetable cooking oil, and it was silk. You see, it's brand new. So there is maybe other guy faking things. They can go and fetch water, putting there. Me, I don't do things like that. I'm just here to support my mom, my young sister. Yeah. Yap, man. Kwa protachongo hata na kamera. Usitatiga huu. Mama, unaweza chukua mafuta juu. Guys, uchihana. So I'm telling my mom to raise up the cooking oil and came back here. That's our vernacular language. Uonekane vizuri hate. Uonekane. Guys, this is another song of uchihana. I'm just disturbing my mom. So in order to get a good thumbnail, yes, so taringani mama. Hatu so check hata kidogo usimaili. Wasiga sana wangu usimaili. Yes guys, so this is another surprise over here. Yeah guys, so I'm trying to get a thumbnail here. Yes, so let's just take it. Yeah. Alright guys, sorry for interruption. Yes. Yes. Okay, mom, take inside. Unasikiaje sasa hivi?
Vizuri.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Say thank you again, mom.
Thank you.
Mama, say thank you.
Thank you.
Because you can't believe this. By God's grace, it's happened. But this is another surprise from abroad. So you wanna see on the title? Suggest I can't mention. This is our privacy between I and my audience who do this, or my donor. Thank you so much. I can't mention your name. It's a secret agenda, or another way, it is our privacy. But mom, enjoy. Yeah. How do you feel? Yes, my mom, because she was working hard in the farm, so I'm seeing her shaking her hand. It's because this stuff is too heavy. Nasikiaje sasa hivi?
Vizuri.
Your life is transformed. Yeah, guys, I'm telling my mama her life have been transformed slowly, not too big or too much. It's slowly by itself. So guys, when I give you my flashback here, my mama just bought cooking oil for 0.8 USD every day. Lunchtime, you know, in our village here we cook lunchtime supper. So every day $0.8. So by the time he was pushing herself, maybe I have to 1 USD. So right now I'm trying to cover those gap. So mama unaweza chukua kwenda nani? Hizo ndimu niwekea kwa nyumba yangu pale. Yeah. You see guys, so my mama is taking her surprise inside. Guys, finally I'm here. I hope you wanna enjoy these videos. But I'm be louder because man, I feel like I'm speechless, guys. You done a lot for me and keep pushing myself. I'm keep pushing myself, and guys, you're supporting me by watching my videos, and it try to motivate me and grinding hard to give you amazing content, guys, like this, you know. Since I wake up in the morning, my mom have ever any clue about a day like this. By God's plan, we made it, guys. So stay tuned, more amazing videos coming, and let me know in the comment section what do you think about this video. Oh man, sorry, let me take you inside my house because I miss my house, guys, before I end my videos. Sorry guys for I must end my video inside here. Hey, wow. Woo. This is my dog step. Very clean, very cold. So this is my house, and guys, I'm lazy because the lady wash for me clothes, I pay her, and then there's some stuff I look for putting some clothes very soon. Yeah, so guys, I want to end my video inside my house by saying thank you so much. May God bless you. In case you're new here, this is where I'm living. This is my house. Yeah. So I put some tiles, ceiling board. So I'm showing you, maybe in case you're new on my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe. That is the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. In other way, this is my mother over there. Wow. So this is our small kitchen. Although my mom she's having to prepare, so it's almost lunchtime. Woo! I was confusing you that, guys, I'm ending my videos inside my house, but I see more dark. So let me end here outside. Wow, guys, so I want to say thank you so much. May God bless you a million times. Let me see for the next videos. I hope you want to enjoy this vlog for today, and it's amazing. Guys, let me know in the comment section. And the reason why I put my videos on Premiere is to have some friendship, some good conversation, how you can motivate each other. And that's how I made friendship on this social media. So guys, bye bye.